Pork, the meat we get from pigs, is one of the most popular meats around the world. Its versatility and rich flavor make it a staple in many cuisines. From the crispy bacon strips that accompany our breakfast to the savory sausages sizzling on the grill at dinner, pork finds its way into our meals in countless forms. In many cultures, pork is not just food, it's a tradition. Think of the festive ham served during holidays, or the slow-roasted pork belly that brings families together for special occasions. The culinary uses of pork are as diverse as the cultures that enjoy it. From bacon at breakfast to sausage at dinner, pork is a regular part of many people's diets. But have you ever stopped to think about where that pork comes from and how it gets to your plate? The journey of pork from farm to table is a fascinating one, involving numerous steps and processes. It all begins on the farm, where pigs are raised with care and attention. Farmers ensure that the pigs are healthy and well-fed, providing them with a balanced diet and a clean environment. But have you ever stopped to think about where that pork comes from and how it gets to your plate? The journey from farm to factory is a complex one involving many steps and processes. Understanding this journey is important for anyone who eats meat, as it allows us to make informed choices about the food we consume. Once the pigs reach a certain age and weight, they are transported to processing facilities. This stage is crucial as it involves ensuring the animals are handled humanely and transported safely. The processing plants are equipped with advanced technology to ensure that the meat is processed efficiently and hygienically. At the processing plant, the meat is inspected for quality and safety. This is where the pork is cut into various products, from chops and ribs to ground pork and sausages. Each cut of meat is carefully prepared to meet the standards and preferences of consumers. Understanding this journey is important for anyone who eats meat, as it allows us to make informed choices about the food we consume. By knowing where our food comes from and how it is processed, we can appreciate the effort and care that goes into bringing it to our tables. In this essay, we will explore the life of a pig raised for meat, from its time on the farm to its eventual processing into sausages. We will delve into the various stages of pork production, shedding light on the practices and technologies that ensure the meat we eat is safe, nutritious, and delicious. From the careful breeding and raising of pigs, to the meticulous processing and packaging of pork products, every step in the journey of pork is designed to maintain quality and safety. So next time you enjoy a delicious pork dish, take a moment to appreciate the complex journey it has taken to reach your plate. For many pigs raised for meat, life begins on a farm. These farms can vary in size and how they are managed. Some farms are smaller, with pigs living in outdoor pens or pastures. Other farms are much larger, with pigs housed indoors in climate-controlled barns. Regardless of the farm type, the goal is the same: to raise pigs to a healthy weight so they can be processed into meat. Piglets are weaned from their mothers at a young age, typically around 3 to 4 weeks old. After weaning, they are moved to growing pens where they have access to food and water. Pigs are naturally social animals and enjoy being around each other. Farmers provide pigs with food that is specially formulated to help them grow quickly and efficiently. This diet usually consists of corn, soybeans, and other grains. Once pigs reach market weight, which is usually around 250 to 300 pounds, they are ready to be transported to the processing plant. This journey is typically made in large trucks that are designed to transport livestock. The trucks are often crowded, and the journey can be stressful for the pigs. To minimize stress, farmers and truck drivers follow guidelines to ensure the animals are treated humanely during transport. Upon arrival at the processing plant, pigs are unloaded and moved into holding pens. The next step is the slaughter process. It is designed to be as quick and painless as possible for the animals. Pigs are typically rendered unconscious using a method that minimizes distress. This ensures they do not experience any pain or suffering. After the animal is rendered unconscious, the slaughter process is completed quickly and efficiently. Section 6. From carcass to sausage, breaking down the process. After slaughter, the pig's carcass is inspected by a veterinarian to ensure it is safe for human consumption. This step is crucial as it helps to identify any potential health risks that could be present in the meat. The veterinarian checks for signs of disease, contamination, and overall quality. Only after passing this rigorous inspection can the carcass move on to the next stage of processing. Then, the carcass is moved along a processing line where it is cleaned and butchered. This involves removing any remaining hair, dirt, and other impurities. The butchers work meticulously to ensure that the meat is clean and ready for further processing. This stage is essential for maintaining the hygiene and quality of the final product. The different parts of the pig, such as the hams, are carefully separated. Each section of the pig has its own unique qualities and uses. The hams, for example, are often cured and smoked to create delicious products like ham and prosciutto. The butchers ensure that each cut is made precisely to maximize the quality and yield of the meat. Loins, which are known for their tenderness and flavor, are also separated. These cuts are highly prized and are often used for premium products like pork chops and tenderloins. The loins are handled with care to preserve their quality and ensure they meet the high standards expected by consumers. Shoulders, which are versatile and flavorful, are prepared for further processing. These cuts can be used in a variety of products, from sausages to pulled pork. The shoulders are trimmed and prepared to ensure they are ready for the next stage of production. The process of breaking down the carcass is done carefully to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Every part of the pig is utilized to ensure that nothing goes to waste. This not only makes the process more sustainable, but also helps to keep costs down. The workers are trained to perform their tasks with precision and care, ensuring that the final products are of the highest quality. Section 7. The making of sausage mixing, casing, and cooking. To make sausage, the meat is first ground and mixed with other ingredients, such as salt, spices, and preservatives. The mixture is then stuffed into casings, which can be made from natural or artificial materials. Finally, the sausages are cooked, typically by smoking or grilling. This cooking process not only enhances the flavor of the sausage, but also helps to preserve it. Section 8. A world of sausage production and consumption. Sausage is a popular food around the world, and billions of pounds of it are produced each year. From breakfast links to chorizo to hot dogs, sausage comes in countless varieties and flavors. The large-scale production of sausage allows us to enjoy this affordable and convenient source of protein. Section 9. Ethical and health considerations, a complex issue. This section delves into the multifaceted and often controversial topic of how our food choices impact both our health and the welfare of animals. It's a subject that has garnered increasing attention in recent years as more people become aware of the implications of their dietary habits. The journey from farm to sausage factory raises important ethical and health considerations. The transportation of animals, often in cramped and stressful conditions, is just one aspect of this complex issue. The way animals are treated during this process can have significant effects on their well-being and the quality of the meat produced. Some people question the ethics of raising animals for meat, particularly in large factory farm settings. These farms often prioritize efficiency and profit over the welfare of the animals, leading to crowded and inhumane living conditions. The ethical debate extends to the environmental impact of factory farming, which can contribute to pollution and the depletion of natural resources. Others are concerned about the potential health impacts of consuming processed meats. The process of turning raw meat into products like sausages often involves the addition of preservatives, flavor enhancers, and other chemicals. These additives can have various health implications, and some studies have linked processed meat consumption to an increased risk of certain health problems, such as heart disease and cancer. As some studies have linked processed meat consumption to an increased risk of certain health problems, it's crucial to consider the long-term effects of our dietary choices. Researchers continue to study the connections between diet and health, providing valuable insights that can help us make more informed decisions. Understanding these risks can empower individuals to take control of their health and make choices that align with their values and goals. It's important to be aware of these considerations and to make informed choices about the food we eat. Reading food labels, understanding the sources of our food, and considering the ethical and health implications of our choices can lead to a more conscious and responsible approach to eating. By educating ourselves and staying informed, we can navigate the complexities of modern food production and consumption. As consumers, we have the power to influence the way animals are raised and processed by making conscious purchasing decisions. Supporting brands and products that prioritize animal welfare and sustainable practices can drive change in the industry. Additionally, participating in advocacy and raising awareness about these issues can contribute to a broader movement towards more ethical and health-conscious food systems. Ultimately, our choices can make a difference, not only for our health but also for the well-being of animals and the environment.